Hey guys, we'll throw out a couple quick videos just walking through the folder and doing the daily inventory of product. The folders for each mall have a couple spots to them. Over here, we've got the promotional product order log. This is where every time you sell something, you're going to reflect it in here as long as it was given out of the promotional product we have on hand. So for instance, I'm selling a veggie knife. So I'm going to go through here for the classic veggie knife. I'm going to put BC. And what is the date today? 23rd. I'm going to say BC 23 and write small. And then I'm going to put the last couple digits of the order number, 05051. This is all extremely important on the back end. So I know it's tedious, but you still have to do it. Make sure on your order that you do mark product given at event. And so that way this is all properly reflected. Now the pink sheet for this order form, so that way we have a record of this, is going to stay with the folder, okay? So that first part is where we mark the items off that we have sold. The second part is where we do our daily product inventory. Okay, this is great with two people. Usually one person handles the folder while the other person counts off items. Now, you're going to notice there's a number written by everything and then a check off to the side. What you're going to do is just write down the number as you go, and then you will go back and reconcile it once you're done. So for instance, on the Santoku knives, we had 4 classic and 2 pearl. So I just started by writing the 4 and the 2. And then I went back after the fact and said, cool, we're supposed to have 4 and 2. So we were able to mark those off. Now, if on day 2 we had sold a Santoku knife, well, the next day on the log, it's going to say 3 and 2 when we do our count. Don't bother digging through anything when you're first doing your count. Just go through and count all the items and reflect everything. Then after the fact, I would go through and say, okay, cool, that one is off. Did we actually sell a Santoku knife yesterday? Okay, I'll go find the Santoku knives on that product log, and then once I have made sure that it all lines up, that's when I can put the little mark off to the side saying everything checks out. If you can't check it out, circle that item and entry, and that means that we have to dig through the pink sheets later. Okay, so when I'm doing my count, for instance, we just went through the pizza cutters on here. We do have 5, and that's how many we should have, so I can mark that off. And we also have 8 can openers. That's how many we should have there, so I can mark that one off too. The other things you're going to find in the folder, these are the ARS tags that the product will be returned with at the end. These folders are precious, precious cargo. And then in the back here is where we'll put the pink sheets. So that's where I'll end up reflecting, filing away the pink sheet from that particular order. And again, make sure you always date them and stay on top of your color codes. Help each other out. There's some reminders on the back here with some general rules on promo product. If you have questions, use the group me or text me personally. And once you get in a rhythm with this, it's pretty easy stuff. So appreciate you.